The date is February the 10th, 2008. Snow is subsiding now, but as you can see, the meadows are very, very flooded. There is no clear demarcation of the river anymore. The Bathampton Mill is almost underwater. The car park is very deep in underwater, as deep as I've ever seen it. This is the third time that Bathampton Meadows has flooded this year. And that is where they want to put a park and ride. I wouldn't want to park my car there. There is water absolutely everywhere, and the runoff from all those cars, all the petrol, all the oil, will go straight into the River Avon. Common sense. This is the third time this year that it has flooded. Just recording the snow up on the hills there. It is really high. Actually, it's the third time it's flooded in the last year, since 2008. Obviously it hasn't flooded this year yet, but it flooded January last year very badly. Ducks are having a fine old time. But I do fear for the toll bridge and the Bathampton Mill. They might be about to struggle. Another perspective on it, from where you can see it is flooded right up to that boundary. I think that's the closest it's ever been. You also get a good perspective from those poor people in Bathampton, who are all going to have a grandstand view of 1,400 cars. Sunshine glinting off them. What a good idea.